Here, like this, nice, like that. It's just only a. Okay, here, so nice. Now my husband is watering the plant here. This is the catopla here. Yeah. This is the one we get from our friend here. So nice. Oops.
Her har jeg sød blomst.
Yeah.
Derude hænder.
So nice. Look, they're already grown. No, there's two. No, it's a big now. Look. Yeah, nice. But din sen sitter din stua. Jag glömde omlet. Nej, din är här.
Jamen er det ikke squash?
Oh yeah, mosquito squash. Yeah. Yeah. Because we put here like this because you know there's a deer here that eating our. Oh, this is a. Jag glömde det. This is. Mosquito is blomster i leg. Here. Det er måske din blomster, sweetheart.
Jamen det er det. Jamen jeg har slået den hver gang de kommer op.
Ja, jeg håber. Også her, look. Look, det er din blomster.
Ja.
Ja.
Men det er fordi, at jeg slår det. Jeg slår
græsset,
og så slår jeg også blomsten. Det nytter ikke noget at plante eller så på blomsten.
Ja, jeg planter. Oh, yo, look here. Oh, de muffins. Jeg håber. Jeg har også planter her solen skinner. Også. Jeg glemte, hvor jeg planter.
Jeg er nødt til at slå det op, fordi der kommer altid
Ja.
der på.
Ja, er det væggen. Here. Nice. Nice. So our garden.
Her er der en række med ærter.
Ja.
Her er der en række med ærter.
Og men
er det også lidt ærter imellem det?
Er det kartofler?
Det er det.
Og her også?
Kun det.
Kun en? Jeg tror det ligger også der.
Det har jeg ikke gjort endnu.
Okay, måske vi kan lave os i morgen måske.
Ja.
Yes, because we put this something here because look, we have somebody animals can eat this. Look, we started already. Here. And this is Sorababa. And already the radish. Måske vi kan tage radish, sweetheart. Radish. So. Yeah. Here. Look here. Oh. Like that. This. That. Pwede lugano. Lewa salad. There's this mistua. Here I order radish. Look, some is already ready. This is good for the salad. Like that. So I already harvest. Like that's enough for do the salad. Also I will see my strawberry. Here's already also. Here, this is already our cucumber. Ayan. This is the cucumbers already here. Here. And also the tomato. This is our tomato. Here's already starting already. Some already fruits like that. Here. And also the chili. Here, these have one already. Have one and some many coming already. Here. Here already. And also here. Also here the tomato. And the cucumber is already here. You can see it's already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's, and also have somebody come up here in the top here. So it's that exciting here. And also I plant a lemongrass. I plant 2 lemongrass here. Here. And this is look like already our grapes here. Here. Already. Look like already. Yeah, you can see. It's very nice. Have so many. This is a I forget what kind grapes is this. It's a small kind of grapes. It's just like good for wine. Like that. I forgot. I will comment down below what kind of grapes we had. Look here. Here. This is our cherry now. Look. Fruits like that. So many like that. Here. Here already, and starting already like that. So probably like end of June or first week of July we can harvest this cherry. There it is. So I will make this for the salad. Here I will clean first for a while because this we need to take out that. Oh, here it is. I'm done with my salad. Just only a simple salad, but here. Happy weekend, everyone. So we are here in our summer house. So now or today, I decide just to do a barbecue for our dinner. Here it is. I do there and also there. Here it is. So cheers, everyone. Like that. Cheers, dear. Okay. Happy weekend. You look. Because we don't have that the grill one. This the big kind of grill is here because we don't need that because you know just only summertime we can just only do grill. Here. Barbecue time. Here. This is chicken. Here this chicken, just only 2 chicken and the rest is pork and with the corn. Here. That is not yet. Here it is. The new two. It's up for the bird house. Like that's very nice. This is the this is the new hound here in Denmark, like that. Like that. Also here. Look. They have like a window. Oh, they have a glass there. Very nice. Here. But first we need to put something. What is called like that, sweetheart? We put just like to protect this. Yeah. hung already. Here. This is the pent, you know. I thought I said a while ago, this is for new hound here. 2021. Like already there. That is a birdhouse here. So nice. It's near in the trees. And also the other one we hang here. There's a birdhouse. Like that. Very nice. Look. They are near each other. Here, so nice.